Hey YouTube, today I will be playing Swords of Sandals. I just recently uploaded a video on how to hack Swords of Sandals. I'm not gonna hack it, I'm actually gonna play legit. Yeah. His name will be Steffi with 51, obviously. He's gonna be black with my favorite hair, which is this. The blue hair, that's pretty cool. And yeah, that guy's pretty boss, but I didn't like the beard. Yeah, like this. Okay. Now we have 9 points. We're gonna put 2 magicka, 2 strength, 2 attack, 2 defense, and 1 stamina. Okay, let's go. Prologue enslaved. So basically, you're a gladiator. You get money from killing people. Yeah, just 2,500. There are really good players.
Gladiator, 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 gladiator,
And then
gladiator.
from here, there's the armory where you can buy armor. Because guys, I was gonna say that. There's the weaponsmith, and I'll get this because I like it a lot. I don't have that much money. See, I just wasted most of it on the. Can't buy anything. Oh, yes, we can. Okay, yeah, let's go. And when you go more and more past levels, people get better. Obviously, you get better. Unless you die many times and you have to give away your money. Or you die completely. Nice.
Gladiator, gladiator, gladiator,
And there's a magic trick which I like.
gladiator,
Spells, but I
gladiator.
can't buy anything. Let's just keep Die. In my opinion, I'm actually doing really well. I don't know how. I usually do really crap. So that's why I do that hack that I showed you. Oh, I can buy it. Nice. Oh wait, did I just buy it? And I still have my money? Or is that just a glitch? Yeah, it's just a glitch. Okay, now that's the first time I ever bought that teleporting thing. I just try it out to see what happens. Come on, just get to him. And he's dead. That was good.
Gladiator,
Okay, I'm gonna go until I die once.
gladiator, 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 gladiator.
Might be a long time. Oh, and it's a tournament. I think I'm not gonna do it. And the last guy especially. This guy has a bow. God damn it. He's gonna kill me. Oh, I'm just blocking all his shots. Okay. Nice. Get him. Nice. Once this guy gonna find it? Okay, we're on last hit, I guess. I don't know why they're not doing that well. I usually died. Ooh. It's not that bad. One last hit. No. One. Two. I think this is it.
Gladiator. 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 Gladiator.
Okay, he's not that good. Whatever. Why didn't... Wait, no, don't lag. Why can't I hit him? It's not letting me hit. It's not letting me move. I swear. Okay, now. I actually killed him? For that money. Okay, that's I'm gonna carry it on, but I'm not gonna record. So, oh, nice. I'm gonna buy that so badly. Okay, I might do one last thing. Wow, I'm gonna be like the best now. Should I enchant my weapon? Can I enchant my weapon? Item cost. Flame. Where's boss? Now I have not much money there. But look at that, 94. With an enchanted sword. Well, so does he, but yeah, mine's better. And 8 defense. He's blocking every single shot that's coming at me. Burn. Oh my god, just burn. I just bought that for Okay, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Gladiator.
See you later.
Gladiator.